Welcome to Data Structures and Algorithms topic, Stacks and Queues. In this chapter, we will explore two important data structures, stacks and queues. These structures are widely used in various applications and play a vital role in managing data. Let's dive in. Introduction to stacks. Stacks are a type of linear data structure that follows the last in, first out, LIFO principle. Elements are added and removed from the top of the stack. You can visualize a stack as a stack of objects, where the last object added is the first one to be removed. Operations on stacks. Now let's discuss the operations we can perform on stacks. The first operation is push, which allows us to add an element to the top of the stack. The next operation is pop, which removes the topmost element from the stack. Finally, we have peek, which allows us to view the value of the topmost element without removing it. Introduction to queues. Moving on to queues, they are another type of linear data structure that follows the first in, first out FIFO principle. Elements are added to the rear queue and removed from the front queue of the queue. You can think of a queue as a line of people waiting for a service, where the person who arrives first is served first. Operations on queues. Let's explore the operations on queues. The first operation is queue, which adds an element to the rear of the queue. The second operation is dequeue, which removes the frontmost element from the queue. Lastly, we have peek, which allows us to view the value of the frontmost element without removing it. Comparison between stacks and queues. Now let's compare stacks and queues. Stacks follow the LIFO principle, making them ideal for applications that require backtracking, undo operations, or depth-first search algorithms. On the other hand, queues follow the FIFO principle and are suitable for scenarios that involve scheduling, buffering, or breadth-first search algorithms. Thank you for joining us in this chapter on stacks and queues. By understanding these data structures and their operations, you will enhance your problem-solving skills and be well-equipped to tackle complex programming challenges. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive updates and notifications for future content.